Alrighty, so this is all switch POVs. This is where we're at right now. Removing some of this stuff. Got some of that. Yeah, so we're gonna be working a lot right here. Try not to take up most of the shot. Hard not to when I'm the main. Okay, so we're bolting all this back in. Sorry for the camera dropping. Same thing here, bolting everything back in, and then we should be good to go. But I'm gonna switch to the meta POV, so I'll leave this one put away. Alrighty, so now we are done with the recall. Everything put back to place, back to the way it was. So with this being broken, it has like collateral damage, so due to the recall they know that these dashes will break and everything. So I did let the customer know that we will replace the dash when we come back again and everything, so they won't be like, oh, you broke it, this and that. But yes, it will get replaced. And yeah, we are done with the recall, and now we're good to head out to our next one.